Have you ever heard of a flood caused by molasses? In January 1919, a massive wave of molasses surged through the streets of Boston, wreaking havoc and claiming lives. The disaster occurred when a large storage tank burst, releasing over 2 million gallons of the thick syrup. The wave, moving at an estimated 35 miles per hour, swept away buildings, flattened vehicles, and caused enormous destruction. Tragically, 21 people lost their lives, and many more were injured. The aftermath saw rescue efforts hindered by the sticky substance, which took weeks to clean up. The event led to changes in regulations regarding industrial tanks, making it a pivotal moment in safety history.